The primary way to connect your Spectrum modem router to your smart TV for internet access is through either a wired Ethernet connection or a wireless Wi-Fi connection. For optimal speed and reliability, especially for streaming 4K or 8K content, use an Ethernet cable. Simply plug one end into the LAN port on your Spectrum router and the other into the Ethernet port on your smart TV. Spectrum recommends using Cat6 cables for speeds up to 1 gigabit per second to minimize latency during streaming or gaming. Alternatively, for a convenient setup without cables, you can use a Wi-Fi connection. Access your TV's settings menu, find the Wi-Fi network options, and select your Spectrum Wi-Fi network. Enter the password when prompted. Note that Wi-Fi may be subject to interference, potentially impacting streaming quality. Regularly update your TV's firmware and ensure your Spectrum router's 2.0 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands are configured correctly for optimal performance. Wi-Fi 7 enables tri-band support for connecting multiple devices. After connecting your Spectrum modem router to your smart TV, verify that the service is activated through Spectrum's online portal. You can use the Spectrum speed test to confirm you're receiving the speeds you're paying for. A common issue is IP conflicts. Ensure your TV is obtaining an IP address automatically. For Wi-Fi connections, consider using mesh Wi-Fi systems like Eero or Google Nest to eliminate dead zones in larger homes. If you experience buffering issues, try troubleshooting via the Spectrum app. This app offers real-time diagnostics to pinpoint and resolve common issues. Keep in mind that firmware updates to your Spectrum modem router can occasionally cause temporary disconnects. If this happens, Spectrum's 24/7 support and online troubleshooting tools can help. Also, for voice-controlled TV setups, Spectrum integrates with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to connect your TV with voice commands. Ensure your router uses WPA3 encryption to prevent unauthorized access to your network.